Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 5th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla, slowly but surely, it's inching up. We closed up $3.71, up 0.52%. We closed at 714.63. Post-market, we seem to be at 715.60. So we have a little bit of a red candle day. So it's not that much red because the open is on the upper part of the rectangle. The close is at the bottom part. So they are pretty much close. So the open was at 716. And they close at 714. So it's basically another side day for Tesla. What is nice is that the lows of the past 4 days at least, and even more, but the lows of the past 4 days have been going up. And we are still having this resistance at 725.71. And we have the support at 700. So the stock is stuck, as I often say, in this congestion zone. This is nice. This is something that we accept. Stocks need to take a breather. And we are also part of this bullish channel. So here's the resistance of that channel, and there's the double support for that channel. So all is good. Let's just ride this congestion zone until we reach the support here. And then we are going to have some chances that the stock is going to move higher from that point on. So it means that we could have to wait until September for the stock to go on. But since Tesla is going to have the AI day, I forget the exact date of that AI day. So that might also influence the stock a little bit. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, this is the first hour of the day. So we opened higher than the last candle of yesterday. Opened higher, tried to go a little bit higher, then fell down a little bit, but not as low as the low of the day. So it's perfectly fine with me. Stochastic has a decent value. So stochastic is at 57, so it's not too low. So I still think that we are going to be able tomorrow to have another even day based on what I see here, unless things change dramatically. Let's go back to the daily chart. So stochastic on the daily chart, stochastic is inching even higher at 88. It's pretty good, strong strength in the stock. MACD still a nice crossover. DMI still nice. The red line of the DMI is weakening a little bit, so this is a good sign. And the bullishness of the DMI is not weakening as much, so another good sign. So all in all, we are on cruise control, just wanting to keep that range going, and we are happy until we have another impulse in the near future. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. Join me on this YouTube channel to get a chance to have exclusive access to my weekly recaps that I do during the weekend for Tesla and Palantir. I look at the weekly chart for these two stocks, so you can only see them if you are a member of the channel. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.